Radical.
So Microsoft is trying to get this deal through. They're trying to push this deal through, a buyout of Activision Blizzard for almost $70 billion. And they're speaking out against critics of the deal and, more importantly, regulators that maybe have something to say about this deal going through. Microsoft says, specifically, with respect to Activision Blizzard video games, there is nothing unique about the video games developed and published by Activision Blizzard that is a must-have for rival PC and console video game distributors that could give rise to a foreclosure concern. Okay. So they say that there is nothing unique about the video games developed and published by Activision Blizzard. Well, when it comes to Call of freaking Duty, I think you can probably say that. There's really nothing unique about Call of Duty. So there you go. It's not even unique compared to other previous Call of Duties, considering that one comes out pretty much every year. When it comes to World of Warcraft, what's the other one with the chick? Tip of my tongue. The chick wears the white or whatever. Maybe I'm not the guy to really talk about this whole Activision Blizzard thing because I don't religiously play Diablo and what the fuck is the name of that game? I talked about it. It's the online only one. Tracer? That chicken? I don't know. Okay, so saying that they're not unique or must-have games, I don't know about that. I mean, I do agree that some of these games are not 100% unique, but not must-haves? Microsoft, do you think people are fucking stupid? Do you think people are fucking stupid? This is like an insult to people critical of this deal and, more importantly, regulators. This is an insult. Just own up to it. Fess up. You want to own Activision Blizzard really, really, really badly because their games are must-haves to a lot of people. You want to own that. You want the profits off of all the money Diablo Immortal is making, for instance. Money, money, money. Money. You want that money, right? I mean, it's an investment. $70 billion. They have the kind of money to put down for that. But Microsoft knows that they're going to make a lot more in the years ahead from that going through. Nobody drops $70 billion. They don't drop that on that buyout unless they think they're going to have a lot of power, influence, or getting something from the deal. Now, they're saying also that it's not like they're going to shut out the games being available on other platforms. Well, that's good to hear, that people can still play their Call of Duties on their PlayStation 4. That's good to hear, but there's no promise of that. It's more like a pinky swear. Because once you own something, you own something. You could do whatever you want to with it.